look up there. Superman is coming, yeah, for the zip line, yeah. In front of us, yeah. I say zip line, yeah. So that is the end point. If you see the white stage there, that's the end point of the zip line. So that's a Marina Mall right here. And right on the top of the mall, you can see also palm tree. So this is where the swimming pool for the Andros Marina Hotel. It's a 5-star hotel. And Marina Mall also is connected with this round structured building, which is Pier 7. So 7 different types of restaurant on a 7 different floors. And right on the top also is a famous bar and a restaurant. So Pier 7 is the name of the restaurant. Well, on that side right there, you can see also white stage with the X Dubai. So that is the end point of the zip line. You just see the zip line coming, eh? So starting on that building right there, beige color, we call this building as Amouage Tower. So from there all the way long to Marina Mall. 1 kilometer long and 170 meters above the sea level. So this is also the longest urban zip line in the world.